Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Skill Builder. In this session, we are going to learn another component of React Native is a model. So, what is the use of model and what is a model? So, model is like a dialogue. For example, if suppose we want any confirmation in case of logout, then we can show confirmations message on the that particular model or a dialogue. So, what is the specialty of model? So, you can animate this model, right? Slide, fade, and transparent or on the full screen also. It's controlled by the visible property. When we want to show, we will make it is true, and if suppose we want to disappear, then you can say false. So it's a built-in component that allow you to present some content on the screen on present in terms of pop-up or overlay. So it perfect for grabbing the user and attention, confirming actions, so showing temporary content without navigating from one screen to another. For example, I have to show the logout confirmation message. Why should I go for the next screen? Instead of that, I will show the pop-up of overlay on the present screen. Okay, so let's see this by taking the example. We'll create another file is called model demo.js. Okay, so import react from react, and then import your from react native. What we are going to import is model. Another is like we want view. Okay, and then we will take on click of one button, we'll take one button, and then I think some text also we need. Okay, let's see cost model demo. Okay, so written here one view will take. Inside that view we will have one button. On click of that button we can you know okay, then remove this title. We need to give what is title, show model. Okay, and then on press what we will do is set visible, set model visible. Okay, so here we will pass true. So we have to take one state variable, so visible model visible, sorry, set model visible, and it's a use state, and this by default false. Okay, so what is a state variable is it will hold a value in current screen temporarily. Okay, so we have taken the button and then we'll design the model. So what is the syntax of model designing? Model, here we have seen like, okay, let's close this model, right? Yeah, sorry. And then so we will see few attributes of the model. One is like animation type. You can see whatever known or slide will say, and then transparent we'll say true. Okay, and visible. So for visible, it's a condition based visible, so we will use the model state variable. If it is true, then it will visible the model on, or if it is not, then it will not visible. Another is method is on request close. Okay, on request close, in that case what we will do, we'll say set model visibility false, so that it will close that, sorry, false, close this model. Okay, so models, so we need to design the model what it will be. For example, we'll take one view here, and inside that view we can have text, or we can display the image. We know how to load image from local storage, local folder, sorry, image, it's getting, you should import image from React Native, and then source require, and then the path. So what is the path for the image? Slash assets slash view have some text skill builder.png, text skill builder.png. Okay, so it will load your image. Okay, so okay, styling, and we are taken the image, and then you can show one text saying like welcome to text skill builder from model. Okay, and we will have one another button here for, say, just close. So what it will do, on press, will what will write here, it will close the model. So set visible false. Okay, as soon as you say the set visible false, this will apply here, and then model will get disappear or visible gone. Okay, so now, so we'll create style sheet. App style is equal to style sheet. Style sheet we need to import from React Native dot create. Okay, and inside that we can have the main container, and then you can have the flex one. Okay, we'll do the first, we'll try to run this. Just export default, what is this, model demo. Just import in index.js and just check import from src slash, what is this, okay, model demo. Okay, and just paste here. What is the error? Class component, let's see what is the issue. React Native set visible false, app style. Okay, let's try to run once. Okay, iOS. Element type is invalid. Expected string for built-in component. You likely forgot to export component from the file it's defined. You might have mixed up the default. Okay, let's see what he's saying. Model is equal okay, written then model say style flex one. Okay, see in previous session we have seen like the surface area view. We have not used the surface area view, that's the reason it's this button it's showing on the status bar or navigation bar. So no problem, we can use for now instead of using the React Native shape area context, we'll use a platform. So what it will do is, so padding top. Okay, so here we'll say platform.os equal to Android, then it is 50 pixel, and if it is iOS in 40. Okay, so we have not applied style set, so now we are going to apply app style dot min container. Okay, okay, fine. Yes, so on click of the model it's showing the image and welcome. And so what we'll do, we will style this model container, and what we can say, align atoms center. Okay, comma justify contain center. Okay, and then we will have some like border color orange, border width 1 pixel, and then border radius is like 20 pixel. Let's see how it is working. Okay, let's give some padding. 20 pixel. Okay, padding also will give the margin also 20. So now see how it's look like, and align self center, sorry, align self center. Let's see how it will go. Okay, we will not use this. Okay, and then maybe you can use background color, background color, maybe orange. Okay, so now your dialog is displaying like this. Okay, close button, and here style will use maybe width 100 pixel, and height is also 100 pixel. Okay, so we'll give minimum height for this view is minimum height should be 300, so 250, sorry. Okay, so animation is coming as a slide. Okay, fade, close, just try to check. Yeah, fading, this is good. we have given. So here for style we can give like font font size 18, font weight 600 for bold. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, so instead of 18 you can give 14. Okay, and margin top is 20 pixel and margin bottom is also 20 pixel. Okay, so on click of close it's disappearing. Okay, on click it is there. Okay, so styles align, will convert this into CSS object. So sub container, we'll see here. Okay, and then directly import here as app style dot sub container. Okay, image style, for example, image style, what we have done in image, just we have specified the width and height. Okay, and then specify here the style, standard style dot image style. Also label style. Okay, so just copy this from here. Okay, and paste here. So font size and font weight, margin bottom and top, we'll apply the CSS here. App style dot label style. Okay, let's remove this. Let's see. So fade in, fade. So you can give another things as well here for sub container to look good. Then margin, background color orange, and minimum height is 250. So for this, okay, justify, we can give another here, justify content center. What it will do, it will display this at the center. Okay, so here we'll try to give elevation maybe 5. Let's see how it will look. So shadow type of view. So border radius we are given 20, align atom center. Okay, so we have seen what is the model, how to implement, what is the use case. So we'll repeat what is the real-time use cases of this model from the React Native. So we can use for the confirmation dialog. You can ask user to confirm the action. Like for example, if suppose you want to delete any product, you want to sign out from the application, then there will be the confirmation dialog. In that case, you can use the model. So if suppose you want to use some filter, instead of moving filter things from another screen, you can have the pop-up, and from that you can use for the a filter. You can have the login pop-up. If suppose you want to see image, bigger image on click of that, you can show in the model any alerting or any warning, notify users about the critical info. You can use in case of pickers. So these are the few use cases, real-time use cases for using the model in React Native. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe if suppose you are new to this channel, and like and share this video. Thank you.